been doing these now 10 shows over 22 years. For me and for us as a company, the best one we've done.
The MACH for us has been a fantastic show. As a long-time exhibitor, first time back in 4 years, we're very, very happy.
Unlike most countries actually, MACH is the one major machine tool show that everyone should come to. I think other regions it's not quite the same, you go to France or Germany, they have 4 or 5, whereas MACH is the one show you have to be at if you're a machine tool supplier.
It's more than our expectations. We didn't know what to expect after 4 years. This is our 30th year of supporting MACH. We just wanted to be back. The interest level has been high, but the quality has been exceptional. And I think people are just keen to get out, look at the technology.
It's been a fabulous week. First time in 4 years to be able to get back and mixing with industry, and what a response you've had from industry here as well.
Well, sitting here at the moment, we've actually sold 20 machines this week, so it's been really, really good.
Good footfall every day. Monday, best Monday we've ever had. Certain days always busy, but it's got spread out more.
Inquiry numbers have been above where we expected them. We've probably seen a 20% increase from 4 years ago, from 2018.
It surprises you every day. You think you've had the best inquiry, and then another one comes along. It's been an excellent show, it really has. We'll definitely be here in 2 weeks' time.
It's been really good this week. The footfall has been really good. Even Monday was really busy, and it's just got busier throughout the week.
We've sold this machine. We've got 3 other companies that are considering the same offer that we've made on this machine. So that kind of thing for us is very important.
Probably one of the busiest shows that we can remember. I think the statistics have already proven that we were up on 2018 and far, far busier than we expected it to be, as still coming out of the pandemic.
Well, someone said to me yesterday, this must have cost you a fortune. I said, yeah, but how much does it cost us if we don't come?
To put a show on like this, for the size of it, the amount of machinery, is testament to the organisation that's gone on.
Engagement with our customers is fantastic. Face-to-face, we all want to get back to face-to-face engagement, and MACH is the perfect platform to be in front of your customers, to give you the opportunity to build those relationships. Come to MACH.